Good morning, traders. This is Trevor. It's a few minutes after 9 o'clock on Monday, August 12th. Pretty volatile week last week. Hope everybody had a good weekend, refreshed, and let's look at how we are setting up this week. So you can see overnight futures are down. So pre-market here we're down about 15, about a 0.5%. We're off the low of 28.93, so we're about 10 points off the low. Looks like overnight we were down about 25. This is a daily chart of the S&P on your screen. I've got three big levels here highlighted, these red lines. These are price levels. You see this is the previous double top at 29.50. So we closed at 29.18. You know, any challenge higher is going to be met with a lot of resistance here. There's 29.50 to 29.64. That's going to be your resistance to the upside. On the downside here, and it looks like we're going to open below it, we've got a little support here at 29.15, and then we've got some really good support here at right at 2900, which is, you know, that's a big round number, and that's a big psychological level that works. Big numbers like that work in markets, big even numbers. So anyway, so that's what we've got to the downside. Then you can see we've got a little more support down here, down about 28.75. Excuse me. So let's look at the more of an intraday chart, and then I got two stocks that I want to show you about that are on my radar right now. Okay, so top and bottom. Top, this is the E-mini, S&P 500, the ES. Below is the same chart, but this is a VWAP. Okay, so this gives us an idea of where the VWAP is. We're trading below the middle VWAP, trading above the lower, right in the middle. There's really this doesn't really tell us anything right now as far as there's no trade that looks good. Up top we've got the 15-minute chart. You can see we've got basically like a double bottom here around 29 or 28.95 ish. You can see that goes back to here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come down and challenge this 29.90 level. That pretty much was the overnight low. And you can see we've got some real good areas of support there on the way down. So wouldn't be surprised to see that today. I would actually be probably a buyer of that. If you look, that's also where the lower VWAP is. See how that lines up? So I would like that. I would probably look at some long calls there and maybe selling some put spreads. Let's flip back over. There's two charts I want to show you here. So Square, obviously everything got beaten, just like just got beaten. Last week was nasty. We were all there. We don't have to talk about it. But it got slammed. It's down a little bit pre-market. But you've got a really good level here at about 63 to trade against on a long. Okay, so there's something to keep on your radar possibly today. Same thing with PayPal. I really like this level here about 104. You've got a stop down here at 102. You can see this is going to be support here. Both of these lower wicks stopped right at 102. So I like that too. All right, guys, hope that's helpful, and we'll see you at the open.